Hi everyone, my name is Gabi and today I'm here to give you some makeup tips for you to look pretty in an online meeting. Are you ready? Yes, I hope so. So, first thing, I have washed my face. As you can see, there's no makeup here. I've just washed my face. And a very important thing for us to start our makeup before we start is to put on some face cream. Yes, face cream. So this one is the one that I am using now, the face cream. Yeah. So we can moisturize our skin. Moisturize our skin. Good. So step one, what's this? Face cream to moisturize the skin. Perfect. Now, second step, we're going to put on, this is what I do, okay? This is what I do, but you can change the order. Let's see. Let's use some foundation. Yes. So this is called foundation. That's it. And we're going to do this first. So I have two types of foundation. This one, you choose the best color for your skin and you apply it. You can apply it with your hand or using a sponge. I don't like to use the sponge, to be honest, so you can apply it with your hand. I'm going to use this one today. Yes, so I'm going to use my hand. Foundation, check. I'm going to apply it using the sponge now for you to see. So foundation with your hand or with the sponge. A sponge like that. So my skin tone is much prettier now. So let's remember. Step one, face cream. Step two, foundation.
Now let's go to
Step three. Step three is the concealer. Can you see it? Concealer, yes. So can you see these little marks on my forehead here? That's what we're going to use it for. So we are going to hide all these little marks with concealer. So we are going to... looks much better. Now I'm going to hide the dark circles under my eyes, you see? I'm very tired, so I have these dark circles. Let's conceal it. Every time you spread it down, right? Never like this. So you tap like this, not like this. Yeah? Tap, tap, tap. That's how you spread the concealer. You see? My skin looks wonderful. Wow. Now a little bit here. Great. Wow, look at the difference. Wow. Let's use the sponge to spread a little bit more here. This part helps us spread under the eyes, which is very important. Wow, much better already. So let's remember, step 1, face cream. Step 2, foundation, that's it. Step 3, concealer with the sponge or with your hand. Now let's apply face powder. Yes, face powder. See? Face powder. You can use the compact or the powder, whatever you prefer. This one is the compact, see? And for this one, I cannot use my hand because it's going to be very messy. So I'm going to use the sponge. That's right. Wow. So I'm going to use this smaller sponge to cover under my eyes here.
Gorgeous. Okay.
I love it. So the first thing I do after that is apply some mascara. Mascara is very important for our eyes to pop. Yeah, so the color of our eyes are going to be much more beautiful if you apply this mascara. So I use this type, right? And you apply it. So what's the name again? Mascara. Yeah, pronunciation is mascara.
This was is mascara. Wonderful.
Now, my face needs some color, right? It's very... Now we're going to apply some blush. So I have this color. Oh, look, my fingers are full of mascara. So I like this color. It's a little bit bronzer, but I also have this color, which is a little more pinkish, which can be fine. And remember, your blush must match your lips. Yes. So if you're going to use an orange lipstick, something like brown lipstick, you use the orangish and brownish blush. If you're using a pinkish lipstick on your lips, it's better if you use the pinkish blush. Remember that, very important tip. Now, so I'm going to use a little bit of both. So I'm going to start with the pinkish blush, see? So I use this brush. It's very tiny, yeah, but I like it because I can put it in my bag and have it all the time. So this pinkish blush here, remember that you have to apply it on this part. So you can do this, you see? Or you can smile and you have where to apply it. it. I also apply some on my nose. On my chin and my forehead. Now let's apply the brownish, orangish one. Oh my God, I love it. Okay, so while I'm doing that, my eyelashes are drying. Yes, so I can clean this after I finish everything. But before, let's apply some highlighter. So we can highlight the parts of our face that we want to show. So I use my finger for that, but you can also use a brush, and the brush must look like this. You see, very flat. So highlighter, I apply some highlighter to my nose, you see, and my forehead like this. Spread. You see the difference? Here, highlighter on my chin. You see the difference? And here, gorgeous.
Look at this highlighter. That's it.
Highlighter. Highlighter. Awesome. Now let's clean this little mess here. I use this brush, this tiny brush that we usually use to apply eyeshadow, but I'm going to use it to clean. So let me get a sponge. I use the sponge to hold so I can see where I need to clean. So clean, clean, clean the mascara. How do I look? Now, next step is eyebrow brush. What's that, Gabi? You see, my eyebrows look horrible because of quarantine. So I'm going to brush it. So I can use this to brush it. So I brush it up. Yes, that's very strange, but you will see the result. So you brush it, brush it, brush it. Okay. And then you use this other brush to smooth it down. See? Look at this one and this one. That is gorgeous. And there's another type of highlighter that I love. So you have this highlighter for the face and this highlighter for the eyes only. So I use this to highlight my eyes. So you can use a little bit here. And a little bit here. Here. And here. You see? Wow. I love it. A little bit of blush. Spread, spread, spread. Okay. Gorgeous. Now, last but not least, I don't like to use lipstick, but if you do, put on some lipstick and then apply some lip gloss. It's going to moisturize your lips, so it's going to be hydrated like your skin, and it also looks very, very good. So let's apply some lip gloss. That's it. Very quick, basic makeup. You can wear this kind of makeup in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, for online meetings with your friends, for online meetings at work. This makeup is everything. So it's very basic, but you see, I look much better. I look much more healthy, and yes, that's it for now. If you want to see the transformation, go back to the beginning of the video, then come back to the end of the video. You will see how this very basic makeup transformed my face. Yeah, so I look much better, I look much happier, I look much healthier, so will you. So let me see how your makeup looks, and let me know what you thought of the video. See you then. Bye.